Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Microsoft 365 as default. What do we mean with that is pretty simple. Is once you launch your PC and you turn on your PC, it's gonna be launching with it or starting up. As you can see, if I went right here to my task manager and I want to start up, I will find every single one of these softwares or apps. One of them is the Microsoft 365. As you can see, the start as you can see here, it is enabled. In your case, if you have found it, you can click here to disable it and basically click again, right click again to enable it. Now, if you didn't find the app right there, we can search it in the apps and features. In the apps and features area, we can actually find the default apps. In this area, once you find, for example, choose default app by file type. For example, here I'm going to search for a text, for example, or something like a .doc, which is document file. Instead of this document file to be opened with something random, I would be choosing one of the Microsoft 365 apps to be opening these files by default. For example, here, if we went all the way down here, let me just go to find an example. Here we go. Okay, here for example, .csv. I have chosen Excel. The same thing goes for .doc, or as you can see here, .dochtml, .docm. So you simply have to right click here, for example, and choose the app from the Microsoft Store. In our case, it's gonna be Microsoft 365. It's very simple and very easy and very much straightforward tutorial. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot. See you guys in the next video.